Hey guys, Jay Massey here, and welcome back to the channel. In this particular video, we're going to discuss something that does happen occasionally. Sometimes you can end up in this situation to where the individuals who have made a reservation, they're trying to work with their travel arrangements, or at least that's what they say, and it feels like maybe they're just trying to get around the system. So I want to share with you what could happen when you find yourself in a situation where a guest is trying to shorten their reservation longer than what they've previously committed to. And again, if you like information like this and you want to continue to learn how to become a bigger, better, badder investor, business owner, and short-term rentalpreneur, hit that like button and definitely hit that subscribe button and the bell so that you can be one of the first to know when we produce another video.
Rafa Loza has a question.
Go for it.
Hey guys, quick question. How do you handle a guest changing their reservation within the 5-day cancellation window? I have someone checking in 4 days, but they want to cut their stay short by a few days.
Or is that on the front end or the back end?
Yeah, that's the first question I have. On the front end or the back end? So Rafa, it depends on the scenario, what this person was, I guess, has been like leading up to the situation. In other words, have they been a quote-unquote normal guest to date, or have they been a problem guest for you so far? And yes, I do mean that they can be a problem before showing up. I've had plenty of those. Some days, so if you're just talking about they want to leave early, like if they want to cancel the reservation altogether, then they can cancel it and you will go by your cancellation policy. So if it's moderate cancellation policy, then they'll get their 50% back, right? And that's exactly why you have that set up. He says back end, they want to leave early, normal guest.
Oh.
So the concern that I have with this is that they want to shorten their stay. They want you to accept you shortening their stay, and then they're going to cancel anyways.
On the back end? I'm fine.
Yeah, well, no, they do this. So they're doing two things. One thing they haven't told him yet. They're adjusting the reservation end date specifically so that they can cancel, so that the payout is greater than they would have originally gotten back. In other words, they're gaming the system. I've had that happen.
Yeah.
So what I would just say is qualify that for them. Figure out their true intentions. Make sure that they are going to stay. If you're, I don't know how long is the reservation. If it's like a 2-week reservation, they're like, oh, I want to shorten it by 2 days. Just let them know that once they check in, we can get that handled for them. And then go from there. That's how I would handle it, at least.
What he said. I'm fine. I'm totally fine with what he said. I mean, obviously, Rob's got we all have various amounts of experience these days. That's completely fine. I typically don't stress if they're trying to change the back end, because those are days that I can resell. Whereas if they're trying to change the front end to get outside of the 5-day window, that's a telltale sign that what they're trying to do is cancel the whole thing, and what they want an alteration so that they can be outside of the 5, and then they come back and try to cancel. Well, I just hate that thing. I just hate when people do that. It's like, come on, man, you know what's what. So you can handle it how you wish, but either way it goes, that's what I'm thinking about. So
All right.
guys, it's been fun talking to you today. I appreciate you guys giving us the opportunity to influence you ever so slightly. I want to leave you again, for those of you who haven't gotten your copy of the recordings from the Short-Term Rental Summit, go pick those up. Go to shorttermsummit.com. I look forward to talking to you guys again. Make sure you put your comments in the Facebook group, and we'll talk to you soon. Until next time.